Large number of people and who do harass me, not only me, our honorable chief minister and other officers. They just first share a message in their own group, and then it gets circulated among other groups, and at the same time they bombard your inbox with thousands of messages. Your WhatsApp, other social media, these inboxes, they get immediately filled. And that's why we have informed this to the department. Home department has taken action. This is not the way. One of their representatives, they can come give us a memorandum, or even if a single person gives us a message, we respond to it. They threaten that it's an unprecedented kind of movement that Assam has never witnessed is going to happen, or so and so date. And if not, there was some threatening also to the government. TET is a qualifying examination. It doesn't guarantee a job to you. TET, you have passed the TET examination. That means now you are qualified to apply for a teacher job. Similarly, there are lakhs and lakhs of graduates. Just because they are graduate, they cannot claim a job. Just because someone has passed a master's degree, cannot claim a job.